So I'm just sharing my screen. You can see metric types. There are two: field value duration and script calculation. Hmm. Okay. Table field, on what field we have to uh, keep the calculation. Okay. So here we kept an active field. So I'm just closing this, close this, this as well. And you can come and you can also see for another one, maybe state. So I'm just going to this change type duration. Okay, if we modified the change type, how much time it is in a normal change, how much time it is in standard change, this metric will define. Okay, so I'm just going to create one instance record first of all. Incident, incident. So create new. So I will put a test. And let's say. So you can bring the metric definitions here, metric instances here. Okay. You can go to the configure related list, configure related list. So check for metrics, incident metrics. Yeah, metrics. Is there anything? No, nothing with the metrics. I just added this metrics related list. I'm saying you can see few metrics are automatically created after creation of the incident. Three metrics are created. You can see related to state, incident state duration, first call resolution, open. This is active. Okay. Now, for example, I'm moving from incident state to in progress state. I'm just submitting. So you can see how much time it is taken for moving from incident state to in progress state. You can see it is taken 59 seconds. 59 seconds this incident in new state. Okay, now we are in progress. I may resolve this incident. I'm just going to resolve. Okay, resolution information resolved by solution provided, test, saving this incident. You can see how much time it should be in progress. Wait, you can come and refresh this related list. In progress, you can see it is 35 seconds in progress. Okay. So create resolution duration, it is 1 minute. Maybe this time we can only see about the incident state metrics. Okay. For example, now it is in resolved. Now I just going to make this incident is closed. If the incident is closed means active false. This incident should be go to active false. Yes, this incident is closed. That means active false. Now you can see what happens, how much time it is taken to complete this incident. How much time it is taken to complete this incident. We come and refresh here. It is taken 2 minutes. It is taken 2 minutes time to close the incident. You can see when it is open, from open to close, it should be in 2 minutes time. Got it, everyone? It will just evaluate. So in progress state, how much time we have spent. Maybe we can also create for assignment group, assign to priority and priority one, how much time it should be with priority one, how much time it should be with priority two, how much time it should be with the category, this specific category. Okay, we can able to calculate everything. Okay, got it, everyone? This is about metrics. So here I have showed already existing one related to active field and state field. Okay. So here, if you have any queries, let me know from the metrics. No. Okay. Why only 10 members joined? It's almost 18, right? Yeah, team. So whoever watching the videos are not attending the classes properly. I don't allow, definitely I don't allow to the classes. It's not good to absent. If you are absenting, so I don't think you will understand properly. Yes. Now you can come. So maybe now we can go to the plugins. My next concept is plugins. So now within the instance, you may type major. Anything is there with the major, any application, any module is there with the major? Definitely not. Now I am going to install a major instance management plugin. Okay. Now I'm going to plugins. You can type plugins here. Under system definition, we have plugins. The system definition have plugins. UG. Okay. So we can note down the definition while installing the plugin. Okay. Yes, I just opening the plugin. Meanwhile, I will go for plug. Plugins are the additional components. Okay. Plugins are the additional components in Servicenow. So here I'm searching for major instance management, for example. Search. We found few major instance management related. So that is two intelligence, I don't know. Wait, plugins only I want to see here. So you can see here we have incident management, major incident. This is the exact plugin I'm planning to install. Yeah, team. So few plugins are paid plugins, few plugins are free plugins. So mostly we cannot do anything with free plugins. They will not provide that much information with free plugins. Okay. If it is a paid plugin, we are okay to install in the development instance. We are okay to install in the testing environment. We are okay to install in any sub-production instance. There is no restriction for that. If you are installing these plugins in the production environment, you have to pay the subscription amount to the Servicenow company. Got it? That part may be taken care by project manager, that architect, right? Project architect. They will discuss with Servicenow product team and they will take this plugin. After that only we have to install this plugin in the production instance. For the sub-production instances, there is no restriction. So for example, I'm just clicking on this incident, major incident. So I'm just clicking on install. If you want to see the details, yes, you can see. So I'm just clicking on install. Along with this major incident management, it is saying instant communication management also going to install. Yeah, that's fine. So install with demo data, and install now itself. Okay, install now itself. Install. Yeah, team, my voice is my voice clear? Here I'm getting your internet is unstable message. Somebody confirm
Yeah,
me.
it was disturbed, but now it is okay.
Okay. Now we can note down the definition of a plugins. Okay. So you can see plugins are the software components that provide a features and functionalities within a Servicenow instance. This is the definition for plugins. For plugins, we have table name also. LUTIN plugins table name is, I think, sys underscore plugin. First of all, I will check for the table name. Meanwhile, plugin is installing. I think sys underscore PLUGN plugin. Wait, it's loading. So you can see while installing the plugin, system will be very slow. Okay. I think table name is sys underscore plugin only. Otherwise plugins. I think sys underscore plugin table exact correct. Hmm. No, this is wrong. I think sys underscore plugins then. GN. PLUGINS plugins. You can say still installing this major instance management plugin. Okay. Yes, this is the correct term. Sys underscore plugins. Okay. This is the plugin statement. So like before, like while installing the plugins, we may note down few definitions. Okay. Uh, what is foundation data? Foundation data. So one or two interviews they have asked, but nowadays nobody asking these definitions. Everybody looking into the scenarios only. Okay, so like they are saying we have number field in the form, name field in the form. I just want to make number field read only, name mandatory. How to achieve this? How many ways we can make field read only? Like this kind of scenarios they're asking mostly. For me, so I have almost 9+ years of experience, and when I attend the interviews, nobody asking these basic questions. Okay, everybody looking into the scenarios only. Okay, maybe this foundation data definition, maybe long ago they asked me. Okay, that's what I'm writing here. Okay, foundation data is a organizational data which contains users, roles, groups, locations, companies, cost centers, countries, etc. So if we go to any organization, we have some generic information, right? Like users information, roles information, groups information, locations, companies, countries, cost centers. Like few are the common tables will follow every organization. So those we are calling as a foundation data. Those we are calling as a foundation data. Okay. Next. Next. ESS role. ESS role. What is ESS role? Role, not role. So what is ESS role? If any user in the organization, if any user in the organization does not have any roles, calling as he is he is having ESS role. So for example, we have Victoria. She don't have any roles. We don't have assigned any roles to her. We can consider she is having ESS role. If any user don't have any roles, that we are calling he is having a ESS role. ESS stands for employee self-service. Employee self-service. Okay. ESS stands for employee self-service. If any user in the organization does not have any roles, calling as he is having ESS role. Okay. Next, interceptors. 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 What is interceptor? Right. Yes, maybe major incident management plugin is installed successfully. View details. We can note down that definition. Wait, this plugin is already installed, right? View details. I'm just closing this plugins tab also. Close this. Close this. Even you can come and refresh here. Home page. You can refresh home page. So it is showing all the details again. You can see activation details, update details. What are the plugin files we have created? What are the changes skipped, what are the things upgraded, it will show everything. Okay, it is loading as of now. So here you can type major. Wait, it may take time to reflect the application. Okay, it may take time to reflect the application. Wait. Application details, view details. You can see instant communication, instant updates, WebKit HTML to PDF, task outage relationship. I think these also installed. I think we go to the activation details. You can see the activation log. This is the activation log. This is the update details. So what are the things it is updated? Okay, and you can come and refresh again the home page. Now you can type major. So you can see. Now it is appearing. Under incident, we have major incidents. Under administration, even within the application, within the incident application, you can see like major incident management related things is appearing now. Okay, got it, everyone? So by installing major incident management plugin, we can able to access the features related to the major incident management plugin. Okay, this is about plugins. Next, I'm going to interceptors. For example, I'm going to create a new change request. I'm going to create a new change request. So generally what happens, for example, if you go to the incident or problem, what happens when you click on create new, it will directly open the incident form. It will directly open the problem form, right? So if we go to the change request, in between it is showing something that we are calling as the interceptors. Interceptors, while we are trying to open a new record, before that it will show some user options. Okay, that we are calling as the interceptor. So these are the interceptors, you can say. Okay, we can note down the definition about interceptors. Sorry. I will say Servicenow docs. Not this one. These interceptors are different. These are related to scripting. Okay, it's not related to scripting. Interceptor, maybe you can type like this, interceptor. So we can note down this. An interceptor is a wizard-like layer before creating a record in all cases. When it is not clear which type of record should be created. In most of the cases, interceptor is just offering a list of possible options. And after clicking on one of the options, you will be redirected to the creation form. Okay. So maybe you can note down this. Up to here, I'm noting down. So like before going to open a new record form, okay, it will show some options that we are calling as interceptors. An interceptor is a wizard-like layer before creating a record. In all cases, when it is not clear which type of record should be created. Okay, this is the interceptor definition. Maybe you can also note down this. This should be more clear. Just copy. Next, system properties. System properties. So we can note down about the system properties. So basically, if we want to configure something within the system level, so that will add in the system property. System properties store configuration information that rarely or never changes. Okay, that is the definition of system property. Wait. I'm looking for the definition. So you can see system properties are the system properties store configuration information that rarely or never changes. Okay, this is the definition of system properties. Okay, system properties store configuration information that rarely or never changes. So once we can go to the syllabus if I missed anything. So metrics, plugins, ESS role, foundation data, interceptor, system properties, group applications. Next, domain separation. So basically, in interviews, they will ask, are you working with the domain separation? OMAIN, domain separation. Okay. So basically, what is domain separation? For example, here I'm taking Reliance Industries. Here I'm taking Reliance Industries. Okay. So we have multiple businesses with the Reliance Industries. We have what you can say, we have networking, that is Geo. Okay. Reliance networking, that is Geo. Reliance cloth marketing, Reliance textiles. We can say Reliance textiles, Reliance footwear, Reliance footwear, Reliance supermarkets, Reliance supermarkets, Reliance oil and gas, Reliance oil and gas. We have multiple businesses to the Reliance company, for example. If they have multiple businesses, they will not take multiple Servicenow instances. They will not maintain multiple Servicenow production instances. They will maintain only one Servicenow, one production Servicenow instance. So maybe you will get one query here. So if we are using only one Servicenow instance, so for example, here, for example, Victoria is related to Reliance Networking. She is a Reliance Networking related person. Okay. Maybe I'm taking Mamata. She may related to Reliance Textile person. Okay. Yes. Victoria able to see Reliance Textile business information. Maybe Mamata able to see Reliance Networking business related information. Got it? So if Reliance having if the organization having 5 different businesses, okay, each business person is able to see other business information within the organization, within the Servicenow instance. But this is not good. This is not good. Okay. We don't require to display other business information to the we don't require to display other businesses information to For example, Victoria working in Reliance Network, right? We don't want to display other Reliance businesses to networking related persons. We don't want to see that data. Even she don't require other business information, right? She is into Reliance networking. She only need data about the Reliance networking. She don't want other data. Okay. At that time, so to restrict the data based upon the business, based upon the domain, okay, so we'll do a domain separated instances. We will do the domain separation within the ServiceNow instance. So at that time, if we do the domain separation for ServiceNow instance, what happens? Network people able to see only network related their business related information. Textile persons able to see their textile related business information. Oil and gas related business persons able to see their only related to their business perspective. Okay, they're not able to see or access other business information within the ServiceNow instance. Okay, got it, everyone? So we can note down the domain separation definition. Domain separation separate the processes and data. Okay. Domain separation, ServiceNow. Let it loading. This definition is very good. Domain separation allows you to separate data, process, and administrative tasks into logical groups called domains. Okay, this definition we can note down. Copy. This is the domain separation definition. Okay. So after done about domain separation, okay, so we can able to work as we regularly working, like as we regularly opening our service for instance, we can work. Okay, so just completed this. So for today, this is about today class, and I'm just going to take attendance. So nowadays we have very less attendance. Hopefully. Yeah. Like I may send you one assignment, okay, assignment one Excel sheet to your mail addresses. It may available with your Google Drive. It's not editable, okay. That file should not be editable. You may take another Excel sheet, or you may create new Word document, okay, and you can write a question and you can note down the answer as well. Along with that assignment one, I may provide you ServiceNow administration interview questions. You have to note down the answers for that. It may be in the Word document. Okay, if you have any queries, we'll see in the classes. Okay, for today we have completed the administration. From Monday onwards, I will start with ServiceNow development. ServiceNow development having some scripting as well. Okay. So I'm just stopping the recording. So if you have any queries, let me know. If you have any pending things from the administration, if you are not practiced, okay, so please try to complete tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is holiday because of due to Dasara festival. There is no class tomorrow. If you want, I will take class on Sunday.